If you want to go from this to this and you want to have hair like this, which you have after 1 year forever, like you want to sport your head full of hair for a long period of time, but you have seen decreased density of people after a hair transplant, and so you are in doubt. We will see 5 factors upon which the density of your hair post-transplant depends. Listen carefully and see which factor applies to you. Number 1 is, if your transplanted hairs have not been taken from safe donor area, you are likely to lose them in due course of time. How this happens? Safe donor area grafts usually do not thin out or shed off by the DHT hormone in your body. If you're not completely bald, you still have persistent hair in the area where you want hair transplant, the doctor will definitely try to preserve all the hair you have. These persistent hairs need proper care and medication in order to remain in their place. Otherwise, they will also get thinned out and shed off from their place. Of late, there have been various case reports. We have found out that there are various factors apart from the male pattern hair loss which are present in the balding scalp just with the male pattern hair loss. It can be alopecia areata incognito or FAPD, which is fibrosing alopecia of pattern distribution. Number 4, a lot depends on your quality of grafts at the donor area. If the requirement of grafts is same for 2 patients, even then the result may not be the same. The quality may be thinner in one patient, thicker in another. The number of hairs coming out of a single follicle may be less in one and more in the other. Likewise, there will be a difference in the result post-hair transplant. In a recent conference in CAS, it was suggested that the recipient site also is a factor for growth of donor hair. So ideally, the donor hair should grow in the same quality as on the recipient site. But then the recipient site's skin has its influence on the grafts, and therefore it may change the texture or the thickness of your grafts. Nothing much can be done for it, so you have to take a good post-transplant care. This is the only thing you can do as for this factor.